All right. 24 hertz. My door shut. Window up. Hers open. 2200-ish RPM. 13.1 volts. That's all it went down to? Well, that was 24. We'll try 23. Set out a little more. There you go. 23. No. Was it 23 hertz, 13.1 volts, 2000 RPMs. Turn it down sometime. 11.9. 22 hertz. 2000 RPMs. 13.1 volts. Seven. 21 hertz. We're running out of frequencies on this app. It only goes down to 20 hertz on this one. I'd really like to go down to 15, but it is what it is. Try what it does. 21 hertz. My door shut. Hers open, 2000 RPM. Looks like 13 volts even. Team JSS, Team Neo subs. Flatline, 7K, wired at half an ohm, and kilo 40. I believe it's a 40 amp hour. Could be wrong, but I think that's why else would they call it a 40. Anyway. Seven. Oh, are they looking? Twenty-one hertz.
Didn't we just do 21?
No, yeah. I was confirming.
Oh.
It wasn't too bad for 21 hertz. All right. 20 hertz, as low as this thing goes. Not the system, but as low as the app goes. I really like this app for some reason. I always use it in my SPL competitions, but SPL competition really doesn't go below 20, so it is what it is. about 2,000 RPM, 2,200, 13 volts, 20 hertz. My door shut, window up, hers wide open. It's getting pretty warm out here. What? Oh, low battery and phone. I guess we better make it quick. Six. All right, I better let it charge back up a little bit. Huh?
It's getting a bit populated.
Is it? It is, isn't it? I'm gonna try that window shut. Door shut. Window down. My window up. 20 hertz. I think I'm gonna try 21 again. Yeah, we're getting a lot of people in over here. Is it taboo when we do stuff in public that we know we're not supposed to be doing like this? But we do it anyway. Try it. 20 hertz with my window down now. 2,200 RPM.
12.8. Where's that 6?
Yeah, about 2,200 RPM. Both doors shut, windows down, like daily. Driving down the highway. This is 21 hertz. Maybe. Apparently I fucked it up. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. All right. Let's try this again. We're setting about 13 volts to 2,200 RPM. Both the windows down, door shut, daily configuration. But test homes. This will be the last test of the day. It's getting pretty warm here. 21 hertz. Oh. We'll do 23 hertz. So it really seemed to like 27 About 27, 28 hertz is what it seemed to do the best hair trick. Alright, I gotta do one more test. I gotta do a sweep with the door open. Hopefully the wind don't catch it and blow it in this car. And put my foot under it so it doesn't blow out. Alright, my door open. Hers shut. Window down. I'm gonna try to get 2,000 RPM and 13 volts. And I'm gonna sweep it. It did the best hair trick at 27, 28 hertz with both doors shut, windows down. Yeah, I'm usually hard on shit. We'll cut that. We'll call it good for now. It does a hair trick, but ain't never loud enough. I suppose we'll see y'all another time. Y'all have a good evening.